Hi everyone, this is the gas walkthrough for November 13th. I'm Philip Newman. Today I'm solving Highball Sudoku by Bill Murphy. This one is a little unusual. We have normal Sudoku rules, 1 to 9 in each row, column, and 3 by 3 box. Additionally, we have some clues outside the grid, which tell us the largest digit in the first 3 cells away from the clue. So the 7 is telling us that the largest digit in these cells is 7. This 4 is telling us that the largest digit in these cells is 4. It's the cells closest to the clue. Those are the rules. We're going to start with the smallest clues first. This 3 is forced. Has to be 1, 2, 3. If we put anything else in there, it's going to be bigger than 3. This 5 is telling us we need a 5 somewhere in these 3 cells, and this is the only place to put it. And the 7 is telling us we need a 7 somewhere. That's the only place to put that. 9 for the last cell in the box. All right, this 4 means the largest digit is 4, so we can't have anything other than 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's a 1 in the column, so these are 2, 3, 4. This is not 4, so 3, 2, 4 is forced. All right, let's come down here to these 4s. The largest digit again is 4, and again we can't have a 1, so this is 2, 3, 4. The largest digit here is also 4, so the only thing this can be is 1, because 2, 3, 4 are in the row. And these are from 2, 3, 4, and we do have a 4 in one of these cells that we need to keep track of. I'm missing the 4 up here, that resolves the 2, 4. And now the largest digit in these is forced by the clues, because those are the last place for those digits. And that's a 9 again. All right, we need a 9 in these cells from the 9 clue here. We're going to need a 5 in one of these cells. We're going to need a 5 in one of these cells. And for this one, we know there's no 4 in these cells. So these are limited to 1, 2, 3, and 5. We can clean that up a bit. There's actually a 5 there, so that's 3. And that's not 5 either, so that's 5. And then the 3 looks over for 1, 2, and 3 here. Now 6 is the largest in these 3 cells, and 6 can't go in this cell because of this 6. So this is 6, and the only digit left that is lower is 1. This can't be 8, so this is 8, this is 9. This is a 1, 3 pair. This is a 7 and 6. And then this is 2, 4, and 8. That's not 4. All right, these have to be from 1, 2, 3, 5. They can't be 4, but 1, 2, 3 can't go in this cell. So this is a 5, and this is 1, 2, or 3. We have a 5 here, and there's a 3 in the box and a 4 in the column. So the only digits these can be are 1, 2, 5, and we can actually place those. And then that 1, 2 is going to place a 3 there, and 1 and 3. We need an 8 in one of these cells. We can't have a 4, so the only thing left lower than 8 is 7, and that's resolved from the top of the grid. These are now 4 and 9, and that is also resolved. That can't be 4, so this is 4. Now we have 2, 3, 5 left in this row, so that's the 5. We have 7 and 8 here. We have 6 and 9 there. All right, up here we also have 6 and 9. That's going to resolve down here as well. These are 5, 8. These are 1 and 7, which are resolved. Over here we have 8 and 9. We have 6 and 7. And we have 1 and 2, which is resolved by that 1. That's not 2. So now we're just left with the center. These are from 7, 8, 9. We have a 7 9 here, so it's going to resolve all of that. This is a 2 or an 8, but there's an 8 down here. That 8 is going to resolve 4 and 2. The 8 here is also going to resolve 5 and 8. And to finish off, we need 4, 5, we need 3, and we need 7. And that's the solution. So I hope you enjoyed that. As far as I'm aware, Bill came up with this variant himself. It's a neat variant. So I hope you enjoyed it. Let us know how you did in the comments, and I will see you next time.